episode is a logistics episode. It's to show you more, not necessarily behind the scenes, but just in general, like what goes on to get these cars, to get them around, and basically, again, logistics. So all the stuff and things that happens in order to get these cars places, in order basically just to pick up the car itself. So first off, we're going to start with picking up. On our way right now, well, on my way to get to the place, on my way to Scott's Lot. At Scott's Lot, I have a friend coming who will pick me up and bring me to pick up the new car we've purchased. Um, get the new car, and then we're gonna drive it about an hour and a half away to where the Tribeca is right now. My mom has the Tribeca right now. She's using it. I'm gonna get the Tribeca from her, drop her off this new Volkswagen Golf we've just purchased, and then drive the Tribeca 2 hours back. We're gonna drop it off at the mechanic because tomorrow morning we have a photo shoot, video shoot with Steve at the mechanics at his shop. So we got to get the cars there. I would like to do 3 cars tomorrow, but I don't think logistically I'll be able to. So we're going to do 2 cars tomorrow. So basically that means driving the Tribeca back, dropping it off at Steve's, then getting a ride from Steve's back to Scott's Lot, going to pick up the second car we've purchased, get that car, and then drive it to Scott's Lot so that in the morning I can pick it up and bring it to Steve's to get inspected. So do you see what I mean? Like, the logistics of this is insane. I have to get a ride to buy a car. I then buy the car and have to drive it to the next car. I have to then take the second car and drive it to the mechanic. I then have to get a ride from the mechanic back to purchase a second car to again drive that back to the lot to then wake up in the morning to pick that up, to drive it back to the mechanic, to do the video shoot. And once the video shoot is done, he's going to want those cars off his lot. So it's just basically like running around constantly. I honestly think I'm going to need an assistant soon. As dumb as this sounds, like we're just in this, we're just starting this, but I'm realizing now that like I'm alone. How much can I possibly do alone? It's a lot. Now, none of what I just said entails any of my regular life. None of this entails any of my regular business. None of this entails even the extras that go into all these cars, like fixing them, registering them, the insurances on them, just everything. It's a lot. And I guess this is why dealerships have employees. Cool, makes sense. I also guess this is why people don't just go, buy 9 cars. That's kind of dumb also. But this is the situation we're in right now. We're going to make it work. We're going to roll with it. And we're going to count our blessings because being able to do this is a blessing. Being able to do this with you guys is a blessing. Being able to actually accomplish this dream, because again, most people don't ever get the 1 car or the 2 cars, let alone actually accomplish getting to 9 cars instantly. And I know they're going to say, oh, well, you just bought the cars. How hard is that? Like, it's not as easy as you think. And then even finding the cars, let alone getting them, purchasing them, negotiating the deals, everything is just, I think it's a lot more than people realize. We've done it. We've did it. We're on the first step, second step, third step. We are on our way. Let's just keep going. So basically, today's episode, I'll take you in depth into each step. We're on our way to go pick up the new car. Let's go. So we're here. We came to pick up the Golf right now, and as it turns out, there's a lot of cars that are ready for us to check and purchase potentially. So let's check out these cars, see if there's anything else we want to purchase, and worst case, we buy a couple cars, and otherwise we just pick up the Golf and head to the Tribeca. But let's see. Like and subscribe, guys. Press the notification bell. I know it sounds dumb. I know everyone's tired of hearing it. We are a new channel. It does help us. It helps us so much. So, went to go pick up the cars, and as it turns out, my friend had a couple extra cars for us. So we looked at them, and as it turns out, we canceled the deal on the Golf and picked up a Ford Edge instead, which is fun. SUV, winter's coming. People love Ford Edges. It needs a lot of work. That's a bad way of wording it. It doesn't need a lot of work. It just needs some work. But overall, I think like it's a fairly decent car. Now driving our other purchase, a 2008 Jeddah City. This thing's got 183 on it, a little bit of an exhaust leak. You could probably hear it. Um, Comes with extra tires. Very dirty condition, but it is what it is. I mean, we're gonna get the full in-depth scoop of how nasty this thing is. This car, we're gonna drive about an hour and a half away, and then we're gonna drop it off, pick up the Tribeca, and drive back. So basically, we picked up a Ford Edge, I think 2011 also, if I'm not mistaken. And I think there's a 99% chance we picked up a 2013 Golf in really nice condition, really nice model, features, everything. It's like it's a black Golf, black rims. It's really really nice. So we'll see. And yeah, next step, picked up the first car. Next step, go get the Tribeca. So we made it up north. We're here, hour and a half drive. We got the new car, so we picked up today. Won't go too much in detail because we're gonna do the detailed video of it. And then we're here to pick up the Tribeca. So it's a long drive, and this is what goes into it. It's almost 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock now. We've been going almost the whole day just to pick up this car, pick up the other Ford we bought, get there, get the cars, get them back to the lot, get in this car, drive it up here, pick up this car to drive it back. It's the logistics. This is, like I said, this is a logistics episode. This is the logistics of moving these cars around. It's not easy. So that's it. We're here now. Beautiful up here, but at the same time it's a long drive. Now we have an hour and a half drive home in this, but it is what it is. This thing has an appointment tomorrow with Steve. We're gonna get it up on the lift, we're gonna get it looked at. Day after, bring it by Aaron's house, clean it all up, and then we're off to the races. And then this one, I don't know, we'll come back for it next week. We'll see. Hopefully, it's, if any of the cars, it's one of the least expensive ones, and it does need work. It needs stuff and things, but we have 6 or 7 cars right now that we're trying to fix, so it's best to do that and best to do this one. The more expensive cars are the ones we need out first. So this car and the Charger, let's get out. The Volkswagen Jetta manual, let's get rid of it. The Mazda, I need to get rid of that thing. I'm praying it makes money. Sentra should already be gone. If I didn't have to do all the video shoots and everything, I think that Sentra should already be gone. That one's fully functioning, clean, everything. It is what it is. Today has been a long day, and we're not done yet. On the ride home in this. And that's it, guys. So, nighttime, should have the light, but we don't. We're back here. We just dropped off this car. Now we're getting back to go take this car so that we can then go pick up the next car. So that's been a long drive. We did see a lunar eclipse on the way home, which is pretty cool. But yeah, so that's it. It's now nighttime. We've been going the whole day just trying to move these cars around. And this is just to show you. Logistics, logistics, logistics. We're off to get the next car. All right, guys. So we're here. Not the final stop, but almost the final stop. We got the new Ford Edge, and I am now on my way out. We have been going since, or I have been going, I always say we, but I mean we. I've been going since 11 this afternoon doing this, and I'm still not done. It's now 9:30 at night. We're still going. I can't complain. I mean, this is technically living the dream, but the amount of time and effort into the logistics of this. So, this has been the episode. Logistics, logistics, logistics. How do you move around this many cars? Also, sneak peek into these two new cars we've picked up. And I guess now you know we didn't get the Golf. The Golf wagon we canceled. Instead, I got this Ford. And to be honest, it's a terrible gamble, but I think it's going to pay off. So, we'll see. We definitely need to start selling cars. I've definitely bought too many. I like to make jokes about it, and everyone tells me why. Why do you keep buying them? Why don't you sell them? And I keep making jokes about it. It's a collection. It's a collection. But at this point, it's starting to get a problem, and I'm starting to get a little worried myself. So we got to sell these things. We got to get these cars sold. So to do that, we got to get them fixed. We got to get them ready. We got to get them up and running. And yeah, that's a process, but it is what it is. So let's get on it. It's an episode of Scott's Law.